Grand awakening, Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. A bit of blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. Great products are over there. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. Write down, make it plain what you are asking for and what you want in your life. The Spirit is saying, I trust you. Not only do I trust you, I'm going to give you what you've been asking for. So be specific. Leave no lines or spaces on your manifestation sheet of what you're asking for, because when you leave space, Spirit has no choice but to fill in those voids and those spaces. Therefore, you may get something not that's bad, but something that you're not exactly asking for. I listen to myself, acknowledge my needs. I assert myself and retain my power. I'm brave and gentle. Do not have to be afraid of others because I respect myself. And as I respect myself, I show others how to respect me. Therefore, I'm respected by others. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too. This is your time to ask for what you want, because it's coming.